Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to use coupons on Agoda. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Agoda and then log into your account. So once I've logged into your Agoda account here, so what you're going to do if you want to look for coupons on your, once you've logged in, you will see an option called coupons and deals here. So simply click on it and here you will see all the coupons available. So you can choose a coupon that you wish to use or that's applicable to you, so whatever you want. So for example, this one here, so if you want to, I want to use this coupon here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on get coupon. Okay, so just click on it and then this will be added to my account. So what happens now is that I just simply have to do my booking and then this coupon will be automatically added to all the eligible properties. So the not all coupons are eligible on all bookings. So based on the eligibility, this coupon will be automatically added to my booking. So when I'm, so if I'm booking a property that's eligible to use this coupon, then what, and I don't really have to do anything. When I get to the payment page or the final booking page, this coupon will be automatically added. So I don't really have to do anything, or technically you don't really have to do anything. The coupons will be automatically added. So it's pretty easy, so as we don't really have to do anything other than just selecting the coupon. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.